everyone, today is Friday. My parents are in the other room. Guys, this is just such a treat. I woke up this morning right here, and what did I wake up to? The sound of water slashing, water going onto the concrete. My dad was washing my porch. Like, I could definitely get used to this. That has never happened before, that sensation of waking up to water hitting the ground right next to my head. So yes, my parents are already at work cleaning my apartment. I didn't ask them to, well, they came here to help me, but they're just getting to work. They're not even like consulting me, which is really fascinating. So very blessed, very happy that they are here helping me. And I just heard the vacuum going. My dad is vacuuming. So yeah, I actually just uploaded my video. So I was in here uploading and I just uploaded my announcement video that I'm moving. So today is Friday, like I said, and they came in yesterday afternoon. So I picked them up yesterday from the airport and we got in and out. Ate that. This is only their second time having In-N-Out because the first time they had it was the first time they visited me, so they wanted to go again, and also I wanted to go. I just want to make sure I go as much as I can because I'm going to miss In-N-Out so much when I go back home. And then we headed to the beach. I took them to my favorite beach, which is Manhattan. They're not really big beach people, so you know, we just kind of sat there. I brought some towels. We sat there for like an hour and just listened to the ocean. It was a little bit chilly, so we just kind of, you know, took in the sounds and the view. And then we went to my favorite donut place called Sidecar Donuts, and oh my gosh, it was so good. They had like a pumpkin one and my favorite butter and salt.
What do we have here? Ooh, I feel the heat.
It's better than a Krispy Kreme.
Isn't it so good?
It's very good. It's just hot.
Is it too hot? It might be too hot.
And then this morning I wake up to sloshing water by my head, and it was the greatest sound to wake up to. Really, truly, it was good. And now we are going to be packing my entire apartment. Today is the day where we don't have anything planned. We're just going to be packing and seeing what we have to work with, because we honestly just need to see like how much stuff I even have to make sure it'll all fit. So that is the plan for today. I'm going to take you guys along and we will get this place packed up. Also, this wallpaper has to come down. That will be satisfying, but also sad, but mostly satisfying. So yeah, let's go see what the parents are up to. There's mommy.
Hi, Leah.
Hi.
We ready?
Yes, we are ready.
All right.
What you up to, Dad? Oh yeah, that gets clogged really easily. Especially, can you say hi to the vlog?
Hello, I'm fixing stuff.
Yes.
Vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
Bagless.
Oh, that's a good tool for that. Where'd you find that?
And it also goes into straws to clean them.
Yeah, that's a good life hack. Use the straw.
See?
Use the straw cleaner to clean the filter. So my mom's gonna help me with the kitchen stuff, right?
Yes.
Is everything out?
Well,
So you took all that
to where I
stuff.
can reach it.
Oh,
So I
okay.
know what to say, what's yours and what's Madeline's, what to keep and what to throw and what to leave behind.
Yes. Madeline got all these boxes from her work, which is great. Maybe like smaller ones, so they're not like huge.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do it.
All that at the bottom is broken.
Oh.
So it's not going to dry.
All right. Look all that, Leah, just from
I
your
just did
rug.
half the carpet.
Oh, I know. I'm telling you. It's crazy.
I think what I took out of there was all that carpet too.
Yep.
Is that some color? What?
It's wool. I don't know why it does that. I think you're good. Yeah. Are you trying to get all of it out?
It's good satisfaction
Yes.
of a job.
This is some good satisfaction right here.
Oh, it's getting less and less.
You want to
I'll
keep
go
going?
until
You want to keep going?
we'll empty.
Okay. I don't think it's ever gonna, I think you're always gonna get something.
You gotta keep a sled dog active.
Just like
anything on
Put
the
that
top
on your
shelf
little
that
vlog.
Okay, it's on. It's going.
Is it?
Yeah.
Gotta keep a sled dog active.
What does that mean?
Sled dog, you know, likes to pull sleds
Yes, but why do you have to keep him active?
in the snow. What?
What does this have to do with sucking up the?
Because Dad's a slow
Because I just can't sit around and talk.
Oh, well
Mom.
you can roll it up. I think it's
Yay.
good. Yeah, yeah.
I gotta do.
I'm busy over here.
There's doers and there's talkers. Put that on the vlog.
Wow.
Look at
Good
that.
job, sled dog, Doug.
You want to get a close up?
Yeah, let's get a close up. Is this the third round or the fourth?
Oh, this is like 5th or 6th.
Satisfy. Satisfying. Good job. Somebody might be purchasing it, but not yet. We still have a few days.
Well, let's roll it up.
Yeah, just roll it up, get it out of the way. Boom.
Something to buy, da ba da bug, yeah. Da ba da bum ba buy, da ba buy, da ba buy, da ba ba, yeah. Set the ba da da ba da da. Boy, yeah. Da ya ba yeah. Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some do crackers.
This looks like Disney's.
That looks like Mexican Pavilion,
Disneyland?
Disney World, and Epcot.
Is this the book Dad's reading?
Yes.
Hollywood propaganda?
Yes.
Yes.
How is it?
How did I get that smuggled in the
To California.
That's about how they influence.
All the influence of it?
Yes.
What are you taking down there, Doug?
This piece of paper.
What's on it? Oh,
This looks like Leah's mom.
it's really creepy.
It does. Doesn't that look like her?
No. Okay, enough. Let's roll it up. Put it in the.
This is art.
Okay,
Who
look
did
at
this?
it.
Da Vinci? Raphael?
My dad is full of life hacks, so I wanted to document. Let's see what you got.
What you doing, Doug?
Some spices, roll it in some paper towel, stick it in the wine glasses so that you're not wasting
Good.
any space. He's gonna do it again.
Around.
Boom. Boom. And we got another hack over here. You wanna explain this one?
Put a pillow to tip it up. So that they lay flat. So they lay instead of
Yeah. That's good.
Good.
We'll update you with the rest of the life hacks that he comes up with. This taco place is actually my favorite though. I would go at least once every few weeks. It's right across the street. It's called Tacos Cancun. Definitely recommend the steak and the fish are my favorite. Okay, so we just had a little taco break. We're all, refueled and we're ready to finish this thing up. The kitchen is almost all put back together. We have stuff that I packed in there. A lot of the other stuff, it's Madeline's. Looking good.
Getting somewhere.
What are you doing,
We'll
Mom?
smooth it out.
Look, I was making the borax to make it not sticky.
Oh,
This is my old slime.
still smells good.
Oh my
Dad
god.
wants to stick his feet in here.
You got 2 of them, one for each foot. I can walk around. I never got to do it.
Oh,
I had a daughter in the business and she never let me put my
That's
feet
like
in.
your bucket list.
Yeah, there's his bucket list.
All right.
You want just like one of these? Yeah.
All right. Sure, right now. It's probably too much. I don't even remember how to do this. Oh, it's just so nice. It's so warm. Yay! Okay, we're gonna let that one sit for a second and I'm gonna throw the rest away. Goodbye.
Bye, Slim.
Bye, Slim. Nice. Alright, let's see number 2 we got. Oh! Why does it have a leaf in it?
A leaf?
Where did it come from?
Probably lifted out.
Oh, it smells good though. It smells like Fruit Loops.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not sure why there's a leaf.
Oh, sorry.
There's a literal leaf in here. Okay, so my dad just moved this island and look at where all of the cat toys ended up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, they use this as a cat toy. It's a sponge. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cat toys. They're poor little toys. They were probably like sad that they put them under here.
Oh, well, there goes the neighborhood. Oh.
Hey guys, so it is Saturday, it's the day before I leave, and we got a lot of stuff going on. So I was sent on a mission, and I have a few things to accomplish on this mission. Number 1, I have to take all the stuff that I packed into these thread-up bags. It was actually very convenient because I happen to have some of these thread-up bags from the last time I sent stuff in, and I was just gonna like donate everything, but this way it's a lot easier because I just threw everything into a bag, and I already had to go to the post office anyways, so I'm dropping all that off. As well as I had one Poshmark order that was just like kind of random and whatever, so I had to package that up. I'm here at the post office right now. I'm gonna drop those things off. And then I have a bag of stuff that I need to return to Walmart. It's kind of a long story, but I just found all this stuff that I can return. And then the last thing on the mission is to pick up food for my parents and for me. It's like 12:30 right now, so it's lunchtime, and yeah, so those are all the missions that I have to do. Let's see if I can do them in a good amount of time because we got to get back and we're going to be packing up my Jeep today. Also, I just sold my TV stand. I was messaging them right before this and it looks like they're going to come pick it up, and that's one of the last things that I have to sell. I have that and my rug, which I'm pretty sure we're going to try to pack my rug because that's honestly like one of my favorite things that I've bought here, and I would love to have that at, you know, wherever I go to next. So I'm going to go inside, drop these things off, and we will go on to Walmart after. Update. I just got back from doing all of my little errands. I picked up some subs, and my dad is actually helping the guy take the TV stand that I just sold down to his car. And yeah, it was kind of hectic because he got here like 10 minutes before I did, so I had to like figure that out. But all is well. We're selling the TV stand, and we got some subs here in this place. I've never been to it before, but it sounded pretty good. And we're gonna go to the rooftop and eat these because I don't have a table or chairs. So we're gonna do that. I was gone for a little too long because, oh, I didn't tell you guys. They didn't take anything back that I had from Walmart. So that was kind of annoying. I don't think I showed you guys this. Yesterday, my dad and I went to Harbor Freight and got one of these little guys to put on the back of my Jeep. So 4 of these tubs are supposed to fit on there, so that will relieve some space for the inside of the car. I'm doing some laundry for the last time. Also, look at what my dad's been doing to my slime. He just keeps putting stuff in it, and he thinks it's funny. Whenever I get stressed, I just go like this. Just play with the slime. Okay guys, it is time to take off this wallpaper. We have been waiting patiently, right?
Or impatiently.
Yeah, one of the two. I was hoping this could be the last thing we do.
Not quite.
That did not happen.
Wow. Satisfying. Nice. Nice.
Yay!
Ta-da!
Just like that. Oh, a little bit left.
You want to save that for your scrapbook?
No.